Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Coach Hans. Today I'm going to show you how to hide or set to private your liked videos, subscriptions, and your saved playlists. These are videos that you like and playlists that you save or videos that you save, and these are the list of channels that you subscribe to. Now, before I proceed, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you will be informed of my upcoming tutorials. Now, the reason why we need to hide this is because these videos are not yours, and if you don't hide them, they would actually be seen by your viewers on your channel. And if they happen to click on one of those videos, they will be redirected to the owner or to the channel of the owner of those videos. And that will take that viewer away from your channel, reducing the probability of that viewer subscribing to your channel or watching more of your videos. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. I'll show you on how to do it on a desktop or laptop and on a mobile device. So let's start. Kindly log into your YouTube account, and then on the upper right hand corner, kindly click on your profile icon, the circle with your picture or your profile pic on the upper right hand side. On the next pop-up window, kindly click on settings. On the next screen, after clicking on settings, on the left hand side, kindly click or select privacy. After clicking on privacy, the next screen would actually show you the options on how to set those three to private. On a desktop, it's a checkbox. All you have to do is check the boxes to set them to private. Alright, so I'll show you how to do it on a mobile device. On your mobile device or your YouTube app, same thing, upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. On the next screen that would show up, click on your channel, and then on the next page or on the next screen, on the right hand side of your name, you would see a cogwheel or a settings icon. Click on that, and then on the next screen you would already see the option on how to set those three to private. This time it's not a checkbox, but it's a slide bar. You just have to slide them to the right to set them to private. And that's how simple that is. Again, setting these to private or hiding them will prevent accidental clicks of those videos that do not belong to you. And this will prevent viewers from being taken away from your channel to actually go to the channel of those videos. All right, so if you have any recommendations or questions or suggestions on other tutorials that you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to leave a comment so I can create the guide, the step-by-step guide for you. And I will be uploading more tutorials in the future, so stay tuned for more uploads. And again, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you can get notified of my future tutorials. And if you like the video, click on the like button, and if you think this is helpful, please click the share and share it to your friends, communities, and even your GCs. Again, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. This is Coach Hans. Always remember that being the best is not an achievement, it's a lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Have a good day.